Listen up, you lot. Today we're diving headfirst into the Foodi DualZone FlexBasket Air Fryer, model DZ071 SKU6551536. This beast boasts a near-perfect 4.8 out of 5 stars from a whopping 208 reviews, and it's priced at a tempting $153.99. We're talking about a serious piece of kit here, and I'm not going to sugarcoat it. This review is going to be a full 10 minutes, maybe more. So grab a biscuit, get comfortable, and let's see if this Foodi is the real deal or just another kitchen clunker. Right, let's get down to brass tacks. This Foodi boasts a capacity that would make a small restaurant jealous. We're talking about a spacious 7-quart MegaZone, enough to feed a family of 5 and then some. And don't think for a minute that this is just another one-trick pony. This machine is a culinary chameleon, capable of air frying, roasting, baking, dehydrating, you name it, this ninja can handle it. Think about it. Crispy golden fries 1 minute, perfectly roasted chicken the next. And let's not forget about those weekend gatherings. Imagine whipping up a mountain of chicken wings or a platter of juicy sausages, all in this one magnificent machine. No more juggling multiple appliances, no more uneven cooking, just pure, unadulterated culinary freedom. This Foodi is like having a sous chef on standby, ready to tackle any culinary challenge you throw its way. It's the ultimate kitchen companion for those who demand versatility and refuse to compromise on capacity. But don't just take my word for it, we'll be putting this bad boy through its paces, so stick around. Now let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the ninja in the kitchen. The Foodi DualZone. Air fryer is a marvel of modern kitchen technology, but it does come with its own set of challenges. This thing is a beast, there's no denying it. Its robust build and dual-zone functionality make it a powerhouse for any culinary enthusiast. And while that spacious 7-quart capacity is a godsend for large families or those who love to entertain, it does come at a price, counter space. This is especially true if you have a kitchen that's already packed with other essential appliances. If you've got a kitchen that resembles a shoebox, you might want to think twice before inviting this ninja to the party. The last thing you want is to feel cramped while trying to prepare a meal. It's like trying to fit a Land Rover in a parking space meant for a Mini Cooper. It's doable, but it requires some strategic maneuvering. You might have to rearrange your kitchen layout or even sacrifice some other appliances to make room. So, before you rush out and buy this culinary behemoth, take a good hard look at your kitchen counter and ask yourself, do I have the real estate for this? Measure your available space and consider how the air fryer will fit into your daily routine. If the answer is yes, then congratulations, you're one step closer to culinary nirvana. The Foodi DualZone Air Fryer can truly elevate your cooking game, making meal prep faster and more efficient. But if you're working with limited counter space, don't despair. There are many other air fryers on the market that offer similar functionalities, but with a smaller footprint. There are plenty of other air fryers out there that might be a better fit for your needs. Some models are designed specifically for compact kitchens, offering versatility without taking up too much space. The key is to be honest with yourself about your kitchen's limitations and choose an appliance that complements your space, not one that overpowers it. After all, a well-organized kitchen is a happy kitchen, and the right appliance can make all the difference. Chapter 3. DualZone Technology. The Art of Multitasking. Let's talk about the star of the show, the feature that sets this Foodi apart from the competition, DualZone Technology. This isn't just a fancy name, it's a revolutionary approach to cooking that will change your kitchen game forever. This isn't your average air fryer, folks. It's a powerhouse of culinary innovation designed to make your life easier and your meals tastier. This is a culinary multitasker, a master of efficiency, a symphony of simultaneous cooking. Imagine being able to prepare an entire meal in one go, without having to juggle multiple appliances or compromise on quality. Imagine this: you're craving crispy fries and juicy chicken tenders, but you don't want to sacrifice time or flavor by cooking them separately. With the Ninja Foodi DualZone, you can have both perfectly cooked at the same time. With the Ninja Foodi DualZone, you don't have to. This genius appliance features two independent cooking zones, each with its own temperature control and timer. This means you can cook two different dishes at once, each to their own perfect specifications. This genius appliance features two independent cooking zones, each with its own temperature control and timer. That means you can cook your fries to crispy perfection in one zone, while simultaneously roasting your chicken tenders to juicy tenderness in the other. That means you can cook your fries to crispy perfection in one zone, while simultaneously roasting your chicken tenders to juicy tenderness in the other. No more waiting around, no more sacrificing one dish for the other, just pure culinary harmony. No more waiting around, no more sacrificing one dish for the other, just pure culinary harmony. It's like having two ovens in one, but with the speed and efficiency of an air fryer. Imagine the possibilities from weeknight dinners to weekend feasts, all made easier and quicker. It's like having two ovens in one, but with the speed and efficiency of an air fryer. This is game-changing technology, people, and it's about to revolutionize the way you cook. Say goodbye to the old ways of cooking and embrace the future. This is game-changing technology, people, and it's about to revolutionize the way you cook. So, ditch those single-basket air fryers and embrace the future of cooking with the Ninja Foodi DualZone. It's time to upgrade your kitchen and your cooking experience. So, ditch those single-basket air fryers and embrace the future of cooking with the Ninja Foodi DualZone. This is more than just an appliance. It's a game changer, a revolution in your kitchen. Get ready to cook smarter, faster, and more deliciously than ever before. Chapter 4, 7-Quart MegaZone, Feeding the Masses with Ease. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say, the MegaZone in the Ninja Foodi. This isn't just any air fryer, it's a game changer in the world of kitchen appliances. This isn't your average-sized air fryer basket, folks. It's designed to handle more than you ever thought possible. We're talking about a whopping 7 quarts of cooking capacity, enough to feed a small army, or at least a very hungry family. Imagine being able to cook an entire meal in one go. This thing is a beast and it's ready to tackle any culinary challenge you throw its way. From appetizers to main courses, it can handle it all. Imagine this, you're hosting a party and you need to feed a crowd. The MegaZone makes it effortless. Do you really want to be stuck in the kitchen all day slaving over a hot stove? Of course not. With the MegaZone you can join the party. With the Ninja Foodi DualZone 7-Quart MegaZone, you can say goodbye to those culinary nightmares and hello to effortless entertaining. It's like having a sous chef right in your kitchen. This massive cooking capacity means you can whip up a mountain of chicken wings, a platter of juicy sausages, or even a whole roasted chicken all in one go. No more juggling multiple appliances, no more cooking in batches, no more uneven results, just pure culinary bliss. The MegaZone ensures everything is cooked to perfection. The MegaZone is perfect for families on the go, party animals, and anyone who loves to cook up a storm without the hassle. It's versatile and efficient. It's the ultimate kitchen companion for those who believe that bigger is always better, especially when it comes to food. With the MegaZone, you're not just cooking, you're creating culinary masterpieces with ease. Chapter 5. User-friendly controls, cooking made simple. Listen, I've got a temper in the kitchen, but even I can appreciate a good user-friendly appliance. And let me tell you, this Ninja Foodi is as easy to use as it is to clean, which is saying something because this thing cleans up like a dream. But we'll get to that later. Right now, let's focus on the controls. This isn't some high-tech spaceship console, folks. We're talking about a simple, intuitive control panel that even your Nan could figure out. You've got your temperature control, your timer, your preset cooking functions, everything you need to cook up a storm without breaking a sweat. And speaking of preset cooking functions, let's talk about convenience. This Ninja Foodi comes loaded with preset programs for all your favorite dishes, from crispy fries to juicy chicken to perfectly roasted vegetables. Just select your program, hit start, and let the Ninja do the rest. It's like having a personal chef at your beck and call, but without the hefty price tag. Final verdict. Is the Ninja Foodi DualZone worth it? There you have it, folks. The Ninja Foodi DualZone FlexBasket Air Fryer. We've tackled its versatility, marveled at its capacity, explored its dual-zone technology, and even conquered its user-friendly controls. This isn't just an air fryer, it's a culinary powerhouse, a kitchen workhorse, a game-changer for anyone who loves to cook and entertain. But don't just take my word for it. Head over to the product page, check out the reviews, and see for yourself why this Ninja Foodi has earned its stripes. At just $153.99, it's an investment in your kitchen and your sanity. Thanks for sticking with me, you lot. Now go forth and conquer those culinary cravings. And don't forget to subscribe for more brutally honest product reviews.